What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. I've come across a really special gems that I wanted to share today on my channel. It's called the Pizza Game. Basically, it's a play-and-turn pizza game on the Avalanche chain. So the way it works is you basically mint, or you can buy a chef directly on the NFT platform, NFT trade, for a certain amount of AVAX. Or you can just mint one right here, but I'd recommend just buying right off the NFT trade platform since it's cheaper than actually minting. But if you want to take your chances, if you decide to mint, you have a 5% chance of minting a master chef, which is a specialized chef that can mint a lot more pizza per minute than a regular chef. And that's basically the whole point of the pizza game, to mint as much pizza per minute. Now, this may seem unsustainable as more and more people get into this game, but what really caught my eye, that made me think that this is actually sustainable long term and can actually generate passive income for you, is this. So when I looked at the liquidity of the pizza game, so right now we're sitting at 6.6 cents at 1.9 million liquidity and 3.3 million market cap. Now, the liquidity is about 57% of the market cap, and this is very good. I've been watching this project for the last few days, and what I noticed that there's a ton of sells, a lot of sells, and what makes me believe in this project even more is that despite so many people selling, this is just people taking profits. I'm not even worried about this at all. Despite the amount of sells that this project has, it's just people taking profits. So despite the amount of sells that this project has, all right, the price is barely budging, and that's because of the high liquidity. And the high liquidity is achieved through their tokenomics. So there is no buy tax, but there is a sell tax. So on every sell, you get taxed 20%, which is pretty good. I know that 10% of it goes to liquidity, and the other 10%, I think it's burnt. It's somewhere in the white paper. Check out their white paper. It's pretty good. It's one of the better white papers I've seen lately. And not too many projects like this come around where, you know, a lot of things are thought out. You know, you can upgrade, you can buy as many chefs as you want to, you know, make as many pizzas per minute as possible. And that's basically the whole summary of this game. You just need to, like, the whole point of it is to make as many pizzas as possible per minute, because more pizza you earn, the more money you make. And there's a lot of guys on YouTube that are actually talking about this as well, which is, you know, pretty bullish. Okay, let's search it up really quickly. So let's take a look at this. So yeah, a lot of YouTubers are talking about it. Crypto Ninja just posted a video about it. He's making $900 per day, guys. $900 per day. Keep in mind, he did put in quite a lot. That's why he's making this much. Also, we have Crypto Talk, Thomas G talking about it, CryptoPunk, DeFi Joey. A bunch of people are talking about this game, this play-to-earn game, and the community is great. Their Twitter following is pretty healthy as well. You know, at first I thought it was botted, but then when you compare the follower ratio to, you know, the number of likes and retweets that are getting per post, it's seems real to me, at least. And another thing about this game, you can actually there's game mechanics to this. So you can buy here, let me show you. Where is this? So you can buy a pizza peel, a pizza cutter, a pizza box. So every single one of these tools actually helps you increase the amount of pizza you're making per minute. And that's on top of the chefs that are minting you pizza per minute. So one chef mints you one pizza per minute, and you can have as many chefs as you want that you can purchase on the NFT trade platform, or you can just mint one. You can have 50 pizzas per minute, 100 pizzas per minute, whatever you want. And yeah, and they also have something called Freezer. you can stick your hard-earned pizza in the freezer and get pizza even faster. And they also have soda fountain. Basically, a lot of ways you can twist this around and try to leverage as much pizza per minute as possible. And like I mentioned, this game is sustainable just due to the fact that of the buy tax and the high liquidity and the liquidity pool. So check this game out. Read the white paper. It's pretty good. I really recommend it. I will leave all the links down below. Yeah, so just check this out. Take a look. You know, just to mention, I'm not a financial advisor, so do your own research. Don't go too heavy, you know. First, take a look at the white paper, make up your mind, talk to the community, see what you're thinking, and that's it. You know, price is not too high at the moment, in my opinion. We're still only at 3.3 million market cap, which is tiny, completely tiny compared to other play to earn, you know, games and farming, you know, DAOs and all that stuff. So yeah, this is still pretty low. I see this hitting, you know, 15 million to 25 million. That's just my opinion. So do your own research. And that's about it, guys. If you enjoyed this video and you wanted me to talk about more gems like this, smash up the like button, subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.